Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's content. Looking across the board, you guys can see the market is a little bit on the 50-50 side of the spectrum. Obviously, if we're looking at the last 7 days, majority of the altcoins are up right now, which obviously is a good sign. But right now, the price of Bitcoin is still on the shaky end of the spectrum. We're seeing a lot of longs and shorts both getting liquidated over the past few days. And you guys can see we're clearly seeing manipulation across the board, and that is to be expected. But overall, the month of December has not disappointed as of now. We still have long ways to go, but I will keep you guys covered. But today we will be focusing more towards Algorand. What has happened with the price of Algo and where are we going in the immediate short term? So this right here is once again a very urgent update for the Algorand family. So please watch this video till the absolute end. Looking at the price of Algorand, still stuck at that 23.2 cents mark, but we're down 1.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down 1.7% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. The overall ranking is still at the top 32 spot. We were at that top 30th spot just a few days ago, so clearly we have seen Algorand drop the overall market ranking. Market cap is sitting at $1.65 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 48.8 million, which is really low right now, and that could affect us retesting some critical price levels that I've been talking about for quite some time. So let's get right into it. All right, guys, looking at the prices, but before, just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So obviously, there's no point at looking at the daily time frame. I really just like showing all my viewers this daily time frame, so we really understand what and where the price is currently sitting at. But if I'm bringing at the hourly time frame, look what's going on right now, guys. So you guys can see Algorand's price just on December 5th, just yesterday, was at 24.7 cents. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see the price has retraced about 6.26% from that level. And right now, you guys can see the pattern that's forming. Can you guys see this pattern that's forming? You guys can see on November 22nd, the price was at 22 cents and then 22.67 cents. And you guys get the picture, and we're sitting at 23.16 cents. And right now, the price has been overall in the sideways momentum. You guys can see this overall pattern that's forming. You guys can see the similarities of that. But now comes a question. Are we about to finally set some new yearly lows for the price of Algorand and retest this level of support at that 21.8 cents mark, which right now currently is about it's about like 6% away from that. Are we about to see that happen? If the price goes below this 22.6 cents mark, I am very convinced that we could drop down to those levels. And right now, the reason as to why the price has been holding very strong around these levels and has not already retested this support is because of the fact that we are sitting at some massive level of resistance from 2020. That's the reason why Algorand is holding it. This right here is basically the last life support for Algorand. And even though the price of Bitcoin has been holding quite strongly around the 17K mark, the majority of the cryptocurrencies saw a little bit of green day here and there, but we are still seeing not much interest building up on Algorand right now. And like I said, obviously depending on the price of Bitcoin, if Bitcoin sees another fake out and we retest these 15K levels, I do expect that the price of Algorand is dropping below this level of support. And overall, the market momentum for the overall markets is not bad, like I said, for the month of December, but I'm not excited at all. But overall, the Algorand price is still not reacting. And that goes to show the interest level right now is quite low, and that we could just base that off of the volume as well. There's barely any buying pressure coming in right now, and that is a sign of possible more downwards momentum. So I will keep you guys covered right now. I just wanted to give you guys an update. A lot of people were asking for an update. I'd still watch very closely to the price of Bitcoin, and if you have massive holdings and you don't want the price to go below this, always play with the stop loss. But if you're in it for the long haul and you're okay with the money that you have invested, and you're okay for you to lose that, then patience is your number one key to follow. And it's not ever smart to be investing more than you can afford to lose. I cannot stress this enough. A lot of people take that with a grain of salt, but never invest your life savings into crypto or stocks, whatever you want to call it. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. But long-term perspective, Algorand is still making massive strides within the board, and that is a bullish sign on its own. But right now, in the immediate short term, the price is not looking too well. But I would love to know your thoughts down below. What are your thoughts where you could see the price of Algorand go in the immediate short term? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.